Once upon a time, we had to rely on the limited selection of books in our library to learn. Today, we have nearly unlimited information at our fingertips, but does more information actually help us learn better? Research suggests that a more limited set of high-quality resources can lead to better learning. Searching, assessing, and making use of online resources are valuable 21st century skills. But our time, effort, and cognitive load are also impacted by this process. Nowadays, it's easy to expend brain power on finding and assessing sources rather than increasing our knowledge on the subject. Do you feel like there's just way too much information out there for you to absorb it all? Let us know how you deal with resource fatigue in the comments.